So guys, I've been importing from China and I decided to try the Tanzania market. Yeah, one of the reason being the time factor. When you bring things from Tanzania, they get to you in 1 or 2 days. Yeah, and then people keep saying that Tanzania are ahead of us in terms of fashion, in terms of things that they have over there. So I was like, I need to try this. Yeah, so you can see that bag. Look at that bag. Look at the quality. Oh my goodness. So I went out, I got a supplier. I know most of you are gonna be on my case, be like, Grace, can you share with us the supplier? Yes, I will share that at a fee. So contact me on my number, which is 0715 660 466. Yeah, guys. So what I've noticed about bringing things from Tanzania is if you go for the way cheaper ones, the quality will be low, but if you go for the at least zikuwe zimefika bei kidogo, hata wewe unaangalia hivyo quality itakuwa sawa, but of course it's cheaper than getting them here from Kenya, that is Eastleigh. Yeah guys, so nilileta easy. I was so happy, as you can see over there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm opening. This is a sling bag, as you can see. I can't even say the price tulipata kutoka huko hivyo, you guys. Yeah, so we normally do this. We have a Tanzania pre-order group. Yeah, you can still talk to me on that number that I've shared. Yeah, so you join our group. Yeah, we come together and we meet the MOQ required. Yeah, because you'll find for them you'll need to meet the MOQ of 3 bags so that you're able to get it at wholesale price. Yeah, so come and join the Tanzania pre-order group. I post crazy prices over there, so come and join me. Yeah, and you'll be able to enjoy and bring things. Yeah, are you in business? Are you starting a handbags business? I'm the person to come and talk to me if you want to bring things from Tanzania. You guys, look at this one. This is a 3-in-1. It was super cute. Yeah, I can't imagine you gifting this one to your mom or even for the corporate babes. Yeah, this is the perfect bag. Yeah, so guys, join me on this journey. I'm gonna be vlogging more here on TikTok. Yeah, especially now that I opened a shop in CBD. Yeah guys, it's been such a great thing. I'm loving it. Yeah, and it's opening more and more doors. Yeah, and if my doors are opened, I also ensure I open for others. Yeah, so that's why I'm able to work with you when you want to work with me. You can also check me out on YouTube. Yeah, I'm on YouTube as Grace Kienyo Imports. Yeah, so there I do a lot of videos, especially when I'm unboxing from China. Yeah, so go and check me out over there. Aki, look at that bag. The quality, the quality was something else. Look at it. Wow. Yeah, so if you're wondering how do you bring things, yeah, no worries. When you come and pay for the suppliers, I normally show you how you're gonna make payments, how to calculate the transport, yeah, how it will get to you. So no worries, I will be able to share all that with you. So look at me there counting to ensure that nimeletewa vitu according to venye nilikuwa nimeorder. Yeah guys, see you on the next